History of the Secret Space Program, Agartha.
Who are these Agarthan beings? Where are they from?
Well, we have a few different species. We have a native terrestrial reptoid species that we often refer to as the raptor species. They live down there. We have a indigenous native insectoid species, which we kind of think of as ant people. They live down there. We also have species, some who are not from here, but live and work there. But also the ancient Lemurians, Atlanteans, when some of them went, underground, that's where some of the beginning of some of the Agarthan cities that we kind of think of as run by the Nordics, these sort of tall, blondie, blue-eyed folks who were originally Lemurian Atlanteans, but went underground. So it's a mixture of native terrestrial species, mammalian, insectoid, reptoid, as well as other extraterrestrial species who have either been stationed here or in some cases have moved here to work here in some of those cities for the same reasons that people travel to other countries for jobs there as well, because they want to go to another place and do a job there instead of staying home where it's boring. So it's a number of species, most who are native terrestrial born species and a few extraterrestrial species.
Are there any buildings or domiciles there, or do they just live in the ships?
Oh, no. There are cities that are massive where the populations can be in the millions of personnel. And they have, in some cases, high-rise structures that are more built into the rock of the planet. So you might see a very tall stalagmite that's, kind of connects the floor to the ceiling that's, peppered with small apartments or buildings with windows and so forth in them that light up. It's pretty interesting to see, but some of them are very largely populated and have a lot of very advanced modern building structure that